In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our vegan patty to make our ancient grain tacos. What we do is we start with our regular patty right out of the freezer. You can see the freezer side there, and you just let it thaw a little bit, and then you cut it into little half-inch dices. Then you put your kitchen spray or any kind of oil and bake it for about 10 to 12 minutes, and then you'll have your little nuggets for your tacos. And here we go. What we do is we take corn tortillas down, and when I make street style tacos, I like to get two tacos together and you heat it, and the steam in between sort of joins them together and makes them a little bit soft. Gonna take a little vegan Chipotle mayo, put that on the base. Then we're gonna take our nuggets, our vegan nuggets, and put it on top of that. I like to stack them up a little bit. Then we take a little cabbage, a little cilantro, and a little cilantro lime vinaigrette that we make, which is in the recipe that you can find online. And you top that over the top, and then just take a little sprig of cilantro over the top of it, and you have a little lime for the plate. And there you go, the ancient grain vegan tacos.